Tai Chi is a Chinese martial art which has practitioners worldwide. Let's watch what it is all about. In 1971, Bruce Lee shot to fame after the release of The Big Boss. A Canadian TV station specially sent people to Hong Kong to interview Bruce Lee, and the filming location is TVB. During the course, Bruce Lee and the host Pierre Burton talked about many topics, including his career, martial arts philosophy, and the inherent problems faced by Asians as stars in Hollywood. It is worth mentioning that this only official English language interview video was lost after it was filmed. And it was not released again until 1994, so people generally call this historic interview, the lost interview. In this video, iBruceLee chose Bruce Lee's first public evaluation of Tai Chi.
What is the difference between Chinese boxing and what we see these young men doing at 8 o'clock every morning on the rooftops in the parks called shadow boxing, which they're always...
Well, actually, you see, that is part of Chinese boxing.
Yes.
There are so many schools.
Everybody here seems to be, going like this all the time.
Well, that's good. I'm very glad. I'm very glad to see that, because at least somebody is caring for their own body, right?
Yeah.
That's a good sign. Well, it's a kind of a slow form of exercise, which is called Tai Chi Chuan. I'm speaking Mandarin just now.
Yeah.
Cantonese, Tai Chi Kun. Okay?
I see.
And it's more of an exercise for the elderly. Not so much for the young.
Give me a demonstration. Show me. Can you do a little bit of it? Just so
the hand-wise is very slow.
Oh, is it?
And you push it out, but all the time you are keeping the continuity going. Bending, stretching, everything. You just keep it moving.
It's like a ballet dancer there.
Yeah, it is. To them, you see, the idea is running water never grows stale. So you got to just keep on flowing.